Good morning, everybody. Happy Cook Event Day. I'm pulling this hair out. I have to. Drives me crazy. I can't find it. Oh well. It'll just have to live there. Oh well. That's gonna drive me crazy. You remember how Alfalfa had like one of those hairs that stuck up? Yeah, this is what this reminds me of. Anyway, it's just gonna be what it's gonna be today. But it is a big Cook Event Day over at QVC. Good morning, Rena. And we have, I think, 18 brand new items on the day, which is absolutely fantastic. Super excited about that. A lot of them we're saving for the last 2 hours in the show of the day. So we have a grand finale from 10 to midnight, where we're going to have 17 new items, but we also have a brand new item. Good morning, Patricia. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, guys. Hi, Eileen. Where we have our ice cream cups. Did you just see them? I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek because they're so cute. So we've been doing like kind of these retro throwbacks, whether it be the TV trays and all of these kind of iconic pieces that we grew up with, and we're doing them in stoneware, and we're doing them in all of these great patterns, and you guys are loving them. So I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. We didn't bring in a ton of the ice cream cups, and they're so stinking cute. They're a set of 4. They're 14 ounces, and I brought them in all of these different patterns and colors. So I wanted to give you a little sneak peek. I know that Allie is over on the set, so I'm going to try to be a little quiet. But you guys, look at these ice cream cups, okay? First of all, I am so in love with our beach umbrellas. You've only ever seen them in our gloves. This is the first time we've ever done them in our stoneware. So how stinking cute are these? I love, 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 love everything about them. They're 15 ounces. You're getting a set of 4, and we did them in patriotic. I'm gonna flip this one just so we can see how beautiful they all are. And these are everything you love. If you remember like going to a diner, you had these in glass, you would have an ice cream sundae or even like a root beer float. Like these are those iconic pieces. Look at the ice cream pattern. So again, you only ever saw these in our gloves. And now I've done them in some really fun seasonal, the ice cream, the beach umbrellas, and your patriotic. All right, then of course we couldn't leave out Doodle Doo. So we did it in red and in the black Doodle Doo. Let me see if I can flip him over. Yeah, there we go. So look how beautiful. Again, I love the cobblestone all around the base, the roosters all around. We didn't just chuck one rooster on there. We did it all the way around so that whenever you're looking at these pieces, you have that beautiful coloring. So then, of course, our classics, we did our cranberry and floral lace, our gray and floral lace. We also did black and floral lace. Look at that gorgeous inky cobalt blue. Oh, and you better believe we did it in woodland. Woodland, of course, in white and buttercream only. So kind of going after those springy kind of summery colors. So love that. And then, of course, we also have the red floral lace. And then we did it in 3 of your old world colors, your blue, your confetti, and, of course, that green. The item number, because I don't want you guys to wait, is K82734. They're less than $7 a piece. They're actually $6.82, which is amazing. And they're available now. Most of the new is being held for the show tonight. So you won't see that actually priced. But what you will see is the wrap-up finale from 10 to midnight, which is amazing. Here's kind of everybody happening. It is a busy, busy Cook Event Day here at the Q. Little behind the scenes. And then I wanted to show you how stinking cute the table is. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. Like adult drinks, kid drinks. By the way, those popcorn containers are coming up at 10 p.m. and they'll be available at 10 p.m. And then look at this. I love the idea of like little snacks for kids or adults, by the way. I would totally eat those French fries and chicken nuggets. As a matter of fact, I haven't had breakfast yet, so that would be awesome. And then, of course, what they were totally designed for, which are, hot fudge sundaes, or look how sweet this is. Like, I just love how iconic these are. Then we even reversed them and kind of looked at them as little vases, little like you've seen us do our reversible candlesticks, kind of the same kind of concept. So super sweet. If you wanted them a little lower, that's perfect. So many different ways to use these ice cream cups. You guys, these are going to be super duper popular. Like I said, we have 17 brand new items tonight coming up, which is amazing, in our finale 10 to 12. So we will definitely make sure we jump on and like give you guys as many item numbers as we can. Hey Shay, hi Kathy, hi Peggy, happy Sunday everybody. We are busy. Thank you for joining Lisa from 1 to 3 a.m. I have to laugh because we came, I'm staying at her house tonight. It's just easier. Hey Rosalia, good morning. It's easier just to stay up there. So she was coming in from the show. So she got home at like 3:45 in the morning. I was just getting up to get over here. So I was having coffee. She was drinking red wine and eating popcorn. And we were laughing like ships in the night. So we took a really cute picture. We'll post it later. But thank you for joining her. All the new in the show was super popular. You guys were loving it. So thank you. She was on with Steve Doss for a big 2-hour show. So lots of stuff going on here in the Big Cook Event Day. So we'll keep jumping on. We'll keep keeping you posted. Medina, hey, how you doing? And Audrey's here. And who else is that? Cheryl's saying good morning. And who else? Who else is here? I love it. Everybody's jumping on. It is an early Sunday morning, especially on the East Coast. So thanks for jumping on and joining us. You guys have a great day as well. And grab your ice cream cups if you want them ahead of time. Again, remember the item number is K82734, and you can take a look at it with Allie and me around 9:30 Eastern time. Trina, hi from Utah. I love that. Well, hi back to you from Pennsylvania. Hi, Mickey. Good to see you. All right, you guys, thank you. And I will keep you posted throughout the day. We have the ice cream cups coming up. Then we'll be back in the kitchen with David. Ooh, I believe with those new pasta cereal bowls. So lots of customer feedback on the original set we did. Could we make them bigger and shallower? And we did all of that. And by we, I mean me. So thank you for all of your great suggestions. And then we'll see you for the big wrap-up show. 17 brand new items. Woo, we've been busy, which I can't wait to share with all of you. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.